Ferdinand 22109, direct to Nilea, clear for descent 2,000 feet, clear for our approach
Bunyi apa tuh?